we're going to split this fraction up into its partial fractions. So what we're aiming to do is take this one fraction and split it into two fractions, each with one factor from the denominator as its own denominator. So there's our two denominators. For the numerators, that's what we're needing to work out. So we will just call them A and B. So the first step is, it's a lot easier if we're not working with fractions. So if we times through everything by the original denominator, then we can divide the top and bottom of each fraction to leave us with no fractions left. So we'll have 4x plus 1, our original numerator, times the original denominator, all over the original denominator, equals A times this denominator over what it was originally. I'm going to put that in brackets 2, plus do exactly the same for the B. So we've got three fractions, our original and the two partial fractions. So now we want to simplify them. We're looking, what can we divide top and bottom by? In this original fraction, we can divide top and bottom by x plus 1, and we can divide top and bottom by x minus 2. That will leave us with just 4x plus 1. In the next fraction, the one with the a in it, we can divide top and bottom by x plus 1. So that will leave us with the a and the x minus 2. Final fraction, we can divide top and bottom by x minus 2. So it'll leave us with the b, x plus 1. It's looking a lot simpler. We no longer have any fractions. We now need to work out what a and b are. I'm going to take them one at a time. We could substitute in any value of x, and it would give us an equation with a number on the left, as we substituted in a number for x, and then so many a's and so many b's. We could do this twice, we could make simultaneous equations. However, by choosing our value of x carefully, we could eliminate either a or b. So I'm going to start off by eliminating a. So I look at the bracket next to the a. In order to eliminate a, this bracket must be 0, because then 0 times a is 0. To make that bracket equal to 0, x would need to be 2. So the first value of x I'm choosing is x equals 2. When x equals 2, 4x is 8, plus 1 is 9. 2 take away 2 is 0, 0a. No point in writing that down. No a's in this equation. X is 2, so 2 plus 1 is 3. So we've got 3b. Now, if 9 equals 3b, then b obviously equals 3. Just dividing both sides by 3. We now know what value b is. We need to work out what a is. To work out what a is, we need to choose a value for x, which eliminates b. To eliminate b, this bracket must be equal to 0, so x must be negative 1. So that's my second choice of value of x. Again, substitute it in. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4, plus 1 is negative 3. Negative 1 take away 2 is negative 3, so we've got negative 3a. That bracket's 0, so we've got no b's. Divide both sides by negative 3, and we get that a is 1. So we've worked out that a is 1, b is 3. All we need to do is write down our answer. So our original fraction was 4x plus 1 over x plus 1, x take away 2, is a over x plus 1, a is 1, so it's 1 over x plus 1, plus b was 3, so it's 3 over x take away 2. And we can always check these. We could, from National 5 level maths, add our two fractions together by finding a common denominator, multiplying them together. We'd have to multiply top and bottom of this first fraction by x minus 2, times top and bottom of the second fraction by x plus 1, times out the brackets on the top, collect our like terms, and we would get 4x plus 1.